The word crafter should be synonymous with collector because we crafters really enjoy collecting crafting supplies. Sometimes, or more like most of the time, we may get a little overeager and collect more products than we know what to do with. This is where this video comes in. We are here to rock your world with a little video and a little tips and techniques from crafters like you. Not all crafters can dedicate an entire room for crafting. In fact, most crafters can only spare the corner of their office or a spot in their living room to store their crafting supplies. Does that mean you can't set up a beautiful and functional space for your crafting projects? Nope. The winners of our Craft Room Makeover contest are here to show you how you can create a beautiful craft room of your dreams without breaking your budget. Now hold on tight to your seat because you are about to be amazed. Tip 1. Kitchen organisers for crafting supplies. Our paper trimmers and scoring boards are definitely must-haves in our craft rooms, but they sure do take up a lot of space. If you have a small table, check out Jessica's hack to keep larger supplies out of the way while crafting. Use a pot lid holder. Your paper trimmers will still be easy to access and won't take up too much room on your crafting table. It's a win-win. Here's another kitchen trick. Do you have way too many stamp sets to keep up with? Card Collections has an amazing hack using other kitchen organisers in her craft room, refrigerator containers. These boxes are just the thing to keep your stamp set secure and organised. Tip 2. Create a stamp index. Anne's organising system is next level amazing. Her crafting corner may just be a small section of her living room, but she really maximised the space by keeping her stamp sets, stencils and dies all in bins, all arranged alphabetically. She indexed all of the products and product categories into separate photo albums. Simply brilliant. We all wish we could be as organised as she is, and now by following her system you can be too. Tip 3. Maximise your crafting cart. We all have some go-to stamps and dies that we use most in our craft rooms, and it can be a hassle to reach into a drawer or box multiple times a day. Mary's hack solves this problem. Simply attach your favourite stamps and dies to the side of your crafting cart or crafting drawer for easy access whenever you want to use them. You will soon be creating way more cards than you ever knew you had time for. Wow, weren't those organising tips brilliant? We hope it has inspired you to reorganise your crafting space if you need to. Don't forget, if you do want to see any more tips from crafters like you, you can click on the link in the description to check out all of the winners from our Craft Room Makeover contest. Don't forget to try out one of these crafty hacks today, and also let us know your favourite one in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautifully crafty day. See you again soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!